Micron helicopters. Micron helicopters are some of the smallest and lightest personal rotorcraft available, often designed for recreational flight and experimental aviation. Weighing less than 250 pounds, these helicopters strip flying down to its bare essentials, offering just one seat, simple controls, and a minimalist airframe. Despite their tiny size, they can still achieve respectable lift and flight time, making them a favorite among hobbyists and ultralight aviation enthusiasts. With low operating costs and DIY appeal, Micron helicopters are perfect for those looking to experience helicopter flight without breaking the bank or needing a hangar. Pivotal, formerly known as Opener, is the company revolutionizing personal air travel with the Blackfly, a single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOL. This futuristic aircraft doesn't require a pilot's license in the US thanks to its ultralight classification, making it an exciting entry into accessible aviation. The Blackfly is fully electric, runs quietly, and is designed for short-range commuting or recreational flights. With auto-landing features, intuitive controls, and zero emissions, Pivotal is taking a bold leap toward a future where anyone can fly safely and sustainably right from their backyard. Colomban Cri-Cri. The Colomban Cri-Cri, often dubbed the world's smallest twin-engine airplane, is a true micro-marvel. Designed by French engineer Michel Colomban in the 1970s, it's compact enough to be stored in a garage, yet agile enough to perform aerobatic maneuvers. The Cri-Cri was originally powered by two small piston engines, but modern versions have seen successful electric conversions. With its unusual twin-boom design and light frame, the aircraft is both efficient and thrilling to fly. It's a favorite among home builders and experimental pilots who appreciate its quirky look and impressive capabilities in such a small form factor. BD-5J Preview. The BD-5J is a legendary microjet aircraft known for being the smallest jet in the world and one of the most iconic. Designed by Jim Bead, this sleek, single-seat aircraft has appeared in air shows and movies, including the James Bond film Octopussy. The BD-5J is incredibly compact but capable of jet speeds, thanks to its small but powerful turbine engine. It was originally conceived as a kit plane, but its complexity and cost made it more of a showpiece than a hobby build. Still, its design, performance, and pop culture status make it a beloved icon in the world of tiny aviation. SD-1 Minisport. The SD-1 Minisport is a single-seat, low-wing sport aircraft designed for ultralight and light sport aviation enthusiasts. With its wood and composite construction, simple cockpit, and cost-effective design, the SD-1 offers a practical entry point for DIY builders and budget-conscious pilots. Despite weighing under 300 pounds empty, it can fly over 500 miles on a small fuel load and reach speeds up to 130 miles per hour. Its impressive range and low fuel consumption make it both eco-friendly and wallet-friendly. The SD-1 proves that small planes can still offer big-time performance and cross-country capabilities in a portable package. Star Bumblebee 2. The Star Bumblebee 2 is a record-breaking aircraft that held the title of the world's smallest piloted airplane. Built by aviation enthusiast Robert Starr in 1988, this tiny aircraft had a wingspan of just over 5 feet and a length of less than 9 feet, barely enough to fit an adult pilot. Despite its micro size, it could reach speeds of over 180 miles per hour, powered by a small piston engine. The Bumblebee 2 wasn't made for practical use, but rather as a challenge to push the limits of aviation miniaturization. It's a symbol of how determination and creativity can defy the norms of engineering. Gen H4. The Gen H4 is a one-of-a-kind personal helicopter developed in Japan, boasting a compact, minimalist design that's incredibly lightweight and simple to fly. Weighing just over 150 pounds and powered by 4 small engines, the Gen H4 uses a coaxial rotor system, eliminating the need for a tail rotor. Its frame can be disassembled for transport and storage, making it perfect for hobbyists with limited space. It's intended for low-altitude flight and short distances, offering a truly unique flying experience. This helicopter shows that vertical flight can be made accessible to anyone willing to take the pilot's seat. Sub-Sonex. The Sub-Sonex is a kit-built jet aircraft made by Sonex, designed for those who dream of flying their very own jet. This single-seat microjet is powered by a small turbine engine and can reach cruise speeds of over 240 miles per hour. Built from a kit, the Sub-Sonex gives experienced builders the chance to own a high-performance aircraft at a fraction of the cost of traditional jets. With retractable landing gear, a pressurized cockpit, and full aerobatic capability, it's both thrilling and surprisingly practical. For adrenaline-seeking pilots, the Sub-Sonex is a gateway to the world of personal jet-powered flight. AIR-1. The Air-1 is an all-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft built by Israeli startup AIR, aimed at transforming urban and suburban mobility. With a futuristic design, two-passenger capacity, and intuitive flight controls, the AIR-1 is designed to be flown by ordinary people, not just trained pilots. It can cruise at 155 miles per hour, has a range of about 110 miles, and takes off vertically like a helicopter while flying like an airplane. Its foldable wings allow for easy storage, and it's being marketed as a safe, quiet, and efficient solution for everyday flying. AIR-1 is leading the charge into a new era of electric aviation. Nisus. The Nisus is a sleek ultralight aircraft from Slovakia, blending style, speed, and smart design into one compact machine. Built using carbon fiber, it features a powerful Rotax engine, retractable landing gear, and a glass cockpit that rivals much larger aircraft. It's designed to comply with European ultralight regulations, offering excellent performance without sacrificing comfort or safety. The Nisus is aerodynamic and elegant, capable of flying long distances efficiently, with responsive handling that appeals to sport pilots. It's an ideal example of how ultralight aviation can be both cutting-edge and beautifully crafted.